I remember learning about biomes and animal habitats in elementary school. The tundra was always portrayed as a desolate wasteland, covered in snow and punctuated by the occasional polar bear or Arctic fox. Now that I'm here in the Arctic, I realize that my concept of the tundra was wrong. Sure, it's very cold, covered with snow for a good portion of the year, and receives very little precipitation. But when summer arrives, the tundra comes to life. Melting snow and 24 hours of sunlight during the Arctic summer enable plants to grow for 24 hours a day. The tundra is essentially treeless, but there are low willows that cling to life, flowering plants, and an abundance of mosses and lichen of every shape and color. Animals like caribou and the Arctic ground squirrel forage among the plants. Much of the Arctic has a layer of permanently frozen ground called permafrost. The permafrost prevents the melting snow from draining away completely, allowing water to collect and form impromptu marshes and streams, providing inviting habitats for a variety of birds and insects. Even the ground itself is interesting on the tundra. One moment you're walking on hard ground, the next it feels like you're walking on wet sponges, thanks to moisture and a thick layer of moss underneath the surface vegetation. Parts of the tundra feature tussocks, plants that occasionally grow in on top of each other in tufts that look like the hair of the Lorax in a Dr. Seuss book, and are incredibly difficult to walk on, but are prime real estate for animals like voles. The tundra is fragile. Even the movement of squirrels across the delicate ground cover leaves a permanent mark. The tundra is changing as climate change affects the tundra's weather, inhabitants, and carbon emissions. If you take the time to look closely at the tundra, you will be amazed. It is not a wasteland of snow and ice. It is a vibrant ecosystem with a short season of fantastic life.